Alright, so next module we have is normals, and inside normals we have a smooth by angle. And as it says, it is going to just smooth by angle. That's it. And I will show you the example, another example. So if I add a UV sphere, another UV sphere, and if I just do right click and shade auto smooth, you will see we have a smooth by angle in our geometry nodes here as well. So it is exactly this operation, and if I go inside of this, you will see a node group like this, which is similar to node group like this. So that is exactly smooth by angle. It is just in a node format. I like to directly do a right click shade auto smooth, which is going to add a smooth by angle. And that's it. Thanks for watching. Like and share this video and subscribe to channel so you don't miss the next part.